We were able to gather lots of people at our Bridge to AI Voice Symposium. It is a symposium and not a traditional conference because of the interactive nature of it. So what happened is that over the last 2 days, we had a fantastic set of people come and share their science. So we have different formats. We had podiums where the community came and presented their research. So we heard from startups, industry partners, academic partners, and trainees. Then we had panels of experts across different subjects. So one, for example, was around neurological disorders and how we can use voice for neurological disorders. Others were on cough and respiratory. And then a lot on ethical principles of voice and how we integrate it as well and how we can share that voice data. And then a really cool thing we had this year is our interactive workshops, and a lot of them integrated clinicians and engineers together. So for example, engineers could come and watch a live scoping video and see what the vocal cords actually look like. So what is the source of the data that they're analyzing? And often there's not that collaborations between these different scientists, and that's really what helps making the science move forward. We also had a poster competition where people submitted their sciences and winners at the end. And then we had a pitch competition that was sponsored by TGH Ventures, where the startups came and actually pitched their technology for it to be implemented at Tampa General Hospital. So for these startups to talk with the clinicians, to talk with the hospital systems, that's really what's going to move the science forward and how we can really make an impact for our patients. And then we had one day of hackathon where, because we now released our data set and we really want the community to test it, to see if it's usable, what they can discover from it, so we can improve our data set so it really can be more and more useful for the community and to have greater discoveries. And this really is the type of expertise we want to bring to Bridge to AI. It's not just expertise on data science or in clinics specifically. We want to be able to bridge this gap that exists between everybody working in silos. We want people to help us implement the science that people are doing around the world, and that's what's going to fuel discoveries in voice biomarkers.